Welcome to the Airbus Summit. We're here at the Toulouse Delivery Centre, usually for our customers, but we've transformed the space to share our innovations and the technology bricks we think will build the future of aviation. First stop, the A321XLR. It's the latest narrow-body aircraft to come out of our assembly lines. It's the extra long-range version of our A321neo. It can fly farther with better fuel burn compared to other aircraft in its class. What's the difference between the A321neo and the A321XLR? Well, it's this extended and reinforced rear center tank with over 40,000 liters capacity. Here, we're looking at all of the fuel that we've added on board to get us from Sydney to Kuala Lumpur. Now, of course, the A321, like all of our aircraft, can fly in sustainable aviation fuel. So we've got our friends on the tarmac, Total Energies, to come fill her up. So we love flying with SAF because it means reduced emissions over the life cycle of the fuel versus the emissions of fossil fuel taken out of the ground. Next stop, Racer. It's our high-speed helicopter demonstrator, leveraging speed and fuel consumption. It's the perfect mix between fixed-wing aircraft and helicopters, rotor and an asymmetric tail. Capable of hovering and flying at speeds of more than 400 kilometers an hour, that's twice the speed of a conventional helicopter. At the summit, we have another flying demonstrator, the EcoPulse. It's a result of collaboration and innovation with Airbus and its partners Dara and Safran. State-of-the-art hybrid electric propulsion is helped out with engines all along the leading edge to break down the thrust, reduce drag, and improve aircraft performance. Finally, let me show you Optimate. If you missed the reveal last year at Vivatech, spoiler alert, this truck doesn't fly. Just imagine loading a van with an A350 cockpit, all the latest sensors, cameras, flight systems, and taking it for a ride. We hope you've enjoyed the tour, and stay tuned for the Airbus Summit Live as we continue to speak with special guests on the future of aviation and share our purpose to pioneer sustainable aerospace for a safe and united world.